Okay, well, we went out to breakfast with JJ and Molly,
Hi.
and then we brought him back, and he had the longest poop. It went all up his back. The longest poop we've ever seen. It was probably the largest one he's ever had, too. Say hi to the ladies and gentlemen, Jacob.
Hi.
Whoa, you're in the way.
So, yeah, sorry.
Well, what's going on over here? It's tough being you, isn't it? Yeah.
He likes water.
You want to take a bath with your... You want to take a nap with your daddy now. Don't you? Right? Is that what you want to do, Jacob? You're going to go to the cabino and be in the water.
He's a water baby.
Your arm. Your hand's in the way.
Gotta clean his armpit.
Who's going to win tomorrow? Packers! Who's going to win tomorrow?
Packers!
Okay, we'll talk to you later.